Hi, it's Jennifer of Celtic Knot Crochet, and today I wanted to show you what I did with the Granny Square Heart Garland that I made. I had so much fun decorating my living room mantle with this garland and a couple other variations of it that I thought you might like to see how I put it all together. So first, I decided to put pom-poms in between all these motifs, and I just hot glued them on. It's so easy. You'll see how to make this whole garland in my tutorial that you can find right up there. And I decided that it looked best if it had a center point with this heart right here. And what I discovered is that it's better to have a couple tacks right here and in the center, and that helps everything to hang its best. So that's one thing that I did, and I liked how it was up against the white background. Over here you can see that I made a whole bunch of the same motifs, the heart, granny square, with some size 10 cotton crochet thread, and then I just wet blocked them and I glued on a little tiny piece of white floral wire. And that way I discovered it's easiest to put the hearts where you want them, and then you can just twist that little wire to make them hang so they face forward. And I decided to put it here on one of these light up white birch trees that you can find on Amazon. I'll share the link in the description below. And I added some other things that you'll see here. So my inspiration piece for my mantle was this really pretty and cute bird heart that I found at Hobby Lobby. And behind it was actually nothing, but because it was kind of the same color as my wall, I decided to just hot glue some white cardstock on the back. It's temporary, but it really helps those birds to pop out. And then look at this. I made a super mini version of the Granny Square Garland. I just used some size 10 cotton crochet thread, and I love how it turned out. It's so cute, and it's much shorter and smaller than the other one. And then I just put some pearls instead of pom-poms in between all the motifs. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and found a couple little fun bird decorations. Here's one that's white. It looks like it's wood, but it's not, but it's really cute. And I made some crochet flowers, as you can see. I found this pretty vase. I love how it has a thick bottom, but then a small top. And I made one of my flower keychain patterns with the same yarn that I used in the garland, the nice pretty pink. And I just hot glued some white floral wire on the back. So I might put some felt on the back, but for now no one can see it, and it looks nice. And you also might have noticed that I made some of the heart motifs with some sparkly red size 10 thread and just attach them to a jump ring and an earring wire. And now I have some cute Valentine's Day earrings, super easy. And I didn't even stiffen these, but you could stiffen them if you want, but they're so lightweight, I can't even feel them. And I love how they look. So let's look at what else I have here. And then I also photocopied the birds that were in my inspiration piece inside the heart and cut out a few of them just in cardstock, the same kind of tans and muted browns, and put them also on the tree. And I found this other little cute wooden bird at Hobby Lobby. And I bought a couple of those, and I photocopied this, and I shrunk it down a little bit so it was a little bit smaller, and you can see it up here. I don't know if you could see that. and I made 5 pink hearts and 3 white ones and spread them around the tree, and I have another tree that looks just like it on the other side. And I found some other white things. I think I bought this couple falls, some white owl ceramics, and I added a string of fairy lights, and I had some of these pretty silver candle holders. And I just kind of went through my decorations and added things that went with the bird and the white and pink theme. And I love how it turned out. So there you have it. That's how I decorated my mantle this year in honor of Valentine's Day, using my Granny Square Heart Garland and other things I found at Hobby Lobby. I hope this inspires you to decorate your own mantle or area of your home. If you know anybody who would like this video, make sure to click share and send it on to them. And if you haven't yet, make sure to click to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and remember, all the supplies that I use are linked in the description below. And if you have any questions about any of the projects, just leave me a question down in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Happy crocheting!